Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Sevi Cetrani. I'm from grade 11 Social 6 and my absent number is 12. Here I will present a story the text about the aurora. An aurora is a natural light display that shimmers in the sky, colorful blue, red, yellow, green, and orange, like shift green tea and shaped like soft blowing crystals. Aurora are only visible at night and usually only appear in lower polar regions. Aurora are visible almost every night near arches and ethereal which are about 66.5 degrees north and south of the equator. In the north, the display is called aurora borealis or northern lights. In the south, it is called aurora australis or south green lights. Auroras and the solar wind. The activity that creates aurora begins on the sun. The sun is a ball of superhot gas made up of clearly charged colored ions. The ions which continuously stream from the sun are called the solar wind. A solar wind approaches the alien it meets that are magnetic field, which hold the magnetic field protecting the planet. The solar wind would blow out Earth's atmosphere, preventing all life. Most of the solar wind is blocked by magnetar, and the ions fixed around the planet continue to travel far into the solar system. Although most of the solar wind is blocked by the magnetar, some of the ions become brightly trapped in ring-shaped holding as horn. The planet, the Earth, in a region of the atmosphere called the ionosphere, are contrast around the Earth's magnetic polar field. The light about on the sun kilometer 800 miles from the greater poles but are slowly moving. In the ionosphere, the ions of the solar wind collide with atoms of oxygen and nitrogen from the Earth's atmosphere. The energy passed during the collision causes colorful glowing gold of the pulsation and aurora. The most extreme aurora happens when the solar wind is the strongest. The solar wind is usually very constant, but solar water, the heating and cooling of the presence of the sun can change daily. Solar wind is often measured in spots. Spots are the coldest part of the sun and upper as the blows on it is we hot suffer. Solar bursts and coronal mass explosion are associated with supports. Solar bursts and coronal mass explosions are sudden extra bursts of energy in the solar wind. Such activity is the result of an 11 years. Bright constant aurora, the most visible during the height of super activity. Coloring an aurora. The colors of the aurora vary depending on altitude and the kind of atmosphere involved. If on stick oxygen atom hits in the atmosphere, the introduction produces red glow. There is an unsure aurora, the most familiar display. A green-yellow hue causes ion streak oxygen of lower altitudes. reddish and blushing light that often appears in the lower fringe of aurora is produced by ions string atoms of nitrogen. Ion string hydrogen and helium atom can produce blue and purple aurora alternate or scan. Really, that is the part of the electromagnetic spectrum. To find out more about the Maestro Lakes display, scans have in the specie that is to study aurora. Until next imager for expose to aurora global expansion, stellite, USET, ultraviolet, and radio waves to study aurora and how they are formed. How do aurora occur? Aurora are luminous atmosphere phenomena in the night sky that occur of frequently in high latitudes so of both hemispheres. There are constrained species according to their story. Aurora in the northern hemisphere are called the northern lights and aurora borealis, and in the southern hemisphere aurora are called the sunlights and aurora australis. Aurora are caused by the sun, but they are not sunlight. In addition to lights, the sun also sends out electricity, present stream of electrons and process. Called the solar winds. The stream of electricity travels from the sun towards the earth at high speed. What do aurora happen? Aurora is a stochastic phenomenon that starts by a breakthrough and caused by the collision of charged particles in the magnetosphere with atoms in the Earth's super atmosphere. Ultimately, the sun leads in the solar wind, a fast-moving stream of gases constantly falling from the sun that carries the sun magnetic force outspikes the solar wind by moving the to 400 km per second forward past as magnetic space and more into an cloud bubble or cavity. Compressing in short set and staying is a next set far beyond the moon's orbit. Under casting challenge on the solar wind magnetosphere can merge with Earth, creating exchange causes that drive protons and electrons into the polar atmosphere. Powerful events occurring on the sun can drive atmosphere in the solar wind, increasing both speed and distance, and the exchange is effect on Earth. At aurora is usually observed in the night sky, particularly in the polar zone. For the east later some skin call it a polar aurora and aurora polaris. Aurora colored like in the night sky are negative polar called aurora borealis, northern lights the northern hemisphere and aurora australis, and something like in the southern hemisphere. The what I can say, if there are one words apologies more less I thank you. I am going to end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.